every year na ang sinisigi natin kita, no? I improve sa ating facilities, no? And this is in keeping, of course, with the vision of our beloved Governor, Governor Bong Lacson, to establish a tertiary hospital in Teresita. And the statistics are really supportive of our effort. There's a real need for setting up the mammogram. Not just the world statistics, but I personally had the occasion of seeing face to face our government employees of the provincial government, stage 4, suffering already by the severe effects of the cancer. And we could not do so much, but just to alleviate the pain, perhaps prolong the life, but eventually a year or so we get the sad news that somebody again, among our staff, among our employees passed on again because of, like I said, a very treatable cancer, which could have been treated if detected earlier. So, in response to this real need, this real threat sa health sa ating mga healthcare workers, alila, no? Aton na chief, extend na namin, no? Free diagnostics, x-rays, sa ating mga employees, so ali pagit, no? Mammogram sa ating mga employees, because again, to serve the health and welfare of our people, we also have to be healthy ourselves. And if we have to be generous and caring, we have to start also within our hospitals and within our organization in the provincial government. So again, we thank God for the support of Arab Internet, may Arab Magaling kita sa Cadiz, and other equipment that we would like to purchase and upgrade in all our hospitals. So, Dr. Berdy and Dr. Congratulations, and I hope that this will be an asset that will make sure that all our employees, all our constituents are less stricken by this breast cancer. Mayroon nga po sa tanan, abansin.